Egypt was broken, and a child watched it burn.
Foreign rulers crushed Egypt beneath their boots.
This child was named Ahmose.
He lost his father before he could rule. His mother forged a king from grief. War became his classroom.
People of Egypt, I will free our land.
For the first time, Egypt marched as one. The war for Egypt had begun. The Hyksos were defeated. A liberator became pharaoh. Egypt will never bow again. He rebuilt what war destroyed.
His life belonged to Egypt.
The king has fallen, but not his legacy.
Ahmose, the man who liberated Egypt. I am Ahmose. Honor the kingdom. Press subscribe. The sands will speak again until our next journey. This is Kingdom of Kemet.